Okay, students, welcome back. So, we have seen the campaign of Chaudhry Devilal in Haryana. What happened after the election? The people were unhappy with the existing government. Which government? Congress government. And they were also attracted by Devilal's promise, the promise that is waiving the loan. And so, when the election were held, they voted overwhelmingly in favor of Lokdal and its allies. Lokdal and its partner, that is, won 76 of 90 seats in the state assembly. Lokdal alone won 60 seats and had thus a clear majority in assembly, and Congress could win only 5 seats. So once the election results were announced, the sitting chief minister, that is of Congress, sitting chief minister resigned, and newly elected members legislative assembly, that is MLAs of Lokdal, choose Devilal as their leader. The governor invited Devilal to be the new chief minister 3 days after the election results were declared, and as soon as he became the chief minister, the government issued a government order waiving the outstanding loan of the small farmers and the businessmen and laborers. So all loan were waived, which earlier the people were having, and this his party ruled the state for 4 years, and the next election were held in 1991, and this time the party not win popular support, and the Congress won the election and formed the government. Means again the Congress government came as a ruling government, ruling party. So this was all about the campaign, but here we'll see why it happened, because the description is given in the next segment ki why they people lose the election when majority was with them, when earlier they win the election. So we'll have some answers of this question in the coming segment. Now we'll see on the major question regarding this particular topic, why election, means what is the need of election in our country. So we'll see here why is election. Generally, in junior classes, you have read about the need of the election, means democracy. In democracy, we know that without election, we cannot understand the meaning of democracy. So, what kind of election are taking place? All these major things we have discussed in previous chapter. So, why do we need election? Election take place regularly in any democracy. There are more than 100 countries in the world in which election take place to choose people's representative. We also read election are held in many countries that are not democratic. The question is apart, but here we are discussing why do we need when we are a democratic country. Let us imagine democracy without election, how it can be. A rule of the people is possible without any election if all people can sit together every day, take all the decision. But if we have already seen in chapter 1, because we have seen there Madam Lindo class debate, and in that debate we understood that it cannot happen. This is not possible in a large community. Meaning is here, it can be done when people are less, number of population is not more. When people are less, this can happen, but in large community like in our country it cannot be possible. Why? Because the time and knowledge of the decision taken all the matters, therefore in all most of the democracies people rule through their representative. We know that but how it can be possible? Is there democratic way selecting representing without election? क्या कोई दूसरा तरीका है कि हम विदाउट इलेक्शन we can select our representatives? Let us think of a place where representatives are selected on the basis of age and experience. We can take an example. In some community, if suppose it happens, some age and experienced people elect some people who can rule over the country or the state. So the place where chosen basis on education and knowledge. So two things, two tool we have on the basis of education and basis of knowledge we can choose them. So there could be some difficulty in deciding on whom is more experienced and knowledgeable, because education is having everyone now, and knowledge and experience, it is the big deal, big matter how the people choose. But let us say the people can resolve these difficulties clearly, such as place does not require election. Means if election is not taking place, so can it be means it is fully accepted by the people. But we can call this place democracy. Can we call this democracy? Democracy means all people are participating? Is not. That is why we cannot say is democracy. How do we find our people like their representative or not? Means all the people are liking them or not? It depends. How to ensure that these representative rule as per the wishes of the people? Means to whom some people elected, some people selected, or their representative, will they be fulfill the need of the people? How to make ensure that those who the people don't like to do not remain their representative? This requires a mechanism by which people can choose their representative at regular interval and change them they wish to do. This mechanism is called election. Election, we know very well what is election, and a particular period of time it take place. Therefore, election are considered essential in our times for any representative democracy. So here are some basic questions by which we can understand why do we need election. Means in that election particularly who make the laws for them, and who will form the government and take major decision, and can choose the party whose policies guide government or lawmaking. Means these are the question to whom we are electing, are they able to make the law for them? Another is that will form the government to take the major decision. The people are taking the major decision, are they able to whom we have chosen them? And the party whose policies guide the government are lawmaking. So these are the question which satisfies us. If it is not, means we can say that we definitely need the election, because by the election certainly we get a good government, the government which can make the law for us, the government which can make the decision for us, the government which whose policies are good and whose policies are in favor of the people. So these are the question sorted out when we say that why do we need election. If election is not there in any country, means certainly with their own wish people are electing their leaders. So what will happen? There is no choice for the people. Only some segment, some selected people are only electing the government. So this cannot be done. This cannot be say that this cannot be said that this is the democratic type of government. So elections are important. So here I leave this video. Read and try to understand the concept. Thank you. Have a nice